Bullish Decentraland cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.15 and $6.85 by 2030. Market investigators accept Mana could reach $3.15 by 2025. Bearish Decentraland market cost expectation for 2022 is 55 cents. Decentraland presentation. One of the most active digital forms of money to shake the crypto world is Decentraland. Specifically, the digital money had the option to arrive at a record-breaking excessive cost of $5.90 at a certain point. Mana is one of the digital currencies that are expanding in esteem that certain individuals see as the most surprising. Mana has existed since the year 2019. Because of the huge interest in metaverse tokens, financial backers in Mana saw 100% profit from their ventures. We analyze Mana's presentation in this Decentraland evaluating examination and gauge. Prior to that, however, we should investigate Decentraland and its place right now in the digital currency market. What is Decentraland? A computer-generated simulation stage called Decentraland is based on the Ethereum blockchain. It empowers clients to create, consume, and benefit from content and applications. A $24 million ICO that occurred in 2017 prompted the foundation of Decentraland. It is the principal token in the historical backdrop of the metaverse to have a style show and a computerized pre-marriage ceremony. The Mana ERC20 token should be singed to get non-fungible ERC721 land tokens. On the Decentraland Commercial Center, Mana tokens may likewise be utilized to pay for a large number of wearables, symbols, names, and numerous different things. This year, Mana is supposed to make money on account of its market execution. We should happen to the examination to see whether the evaluating examples could give any more direction. Decentraland Central Examination. The token on Decentraland, the first metaverse at any point created on Ethereum, is called Mana. You might adjust your look, investigate and make, and buy products and land in this virtual world. Moreover, there are different territories, courts, and craftsmanship historical centers to investigate for a really long time. Indeed, even children might give it a shot in light of the connection point's usability. Except for utilizing genuine cash and requiring a reasonable crypto wallet to use ETH-based apps, it is tantamount to a computer game. The underlying coin presenting for Decentraland brought around 22 million euros up in 60 minutes, surpassing its objective. Today, the Mana stage is used for things that might be redone, like wearables, covers, or a customized name, which are all open on the site's Decentraland specialized examination. What must be noted for this situation is that the money has lain lethargic since send-off, as indicated by the latest news and venture guidance from crypto experts and examiners, without any indication of something going on under the surface for clients. In spite of progressions and advances in blockchain innovation, this resource stayed detached and didn't move even a millimeter. The expense of the Decentraland digital money was around 2 cents at the hour of origin. Afterward, it rose and came to 24 cents, yet it was dismissed and it got back to its earlier help level. The cost of Decentraland didn't really see critical changes and exchanged a similar cost range for some time. The coin then, at that point, went through a few extra reciprocals with the force of a tsunami. The Mana digital money rose to a cost of about 80 cents on Decentraland in a bullish flood. Mana kept up with its bullish pattern even after its value taken off to another high of $1.56. Notwithstanding, subsequent to coming to another high, the Mana continued to address down, and the cost of Decentraland fell underneath 65 cents. Afterward, the Mana coins saw a huge increment that raised the cost to more than $3.50. Following that, the cash's exchanging was perceptibly certain and arrived at another record high of $5.90. Be that as it may, the Mana cost saw a significant remedy in the wake of coming to another ATH, which made the Decentraland value drop to generally $2. Following that, Decentraland's value gets back to its past degree of generally $3. Decentraland current cost. Decentraland is as of now worth 69 cents USD. Mana has moved 0.45% as of now with an exchanging volume of $127,265,477. Decentraland is as of now positioned 41 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,299,331,625 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Decentraland to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Decentraland Value Expectation 2022. Decentraland, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Mana cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $1.05. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 97 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Mana is supposed to have a base worth of 83 cents. Decentraland Value Expectation 2023 of every 2023, Decentraland Mana Cost Forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mana will before long outperform $1.75. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Mana's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Mana will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.40 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.54. Decentraland Value Expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.45 and Mana might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Mana is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.24 and a low of $2.10 in 2024. Decentraland Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Decentraland effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Mana coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mana will be green in 2025. The Mana is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.15, with a base cost of $2.80 and a typical cost of $2.94. Decentraland Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Mana cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.64 by 2026, with a base cost of $3.50 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Mana has a greatest value worth of $3.85. Decentraland Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.34. On the off chance that Mana figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $4.55. Neglecting to accumulate the help Mana needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $4.20. Decentraland Value Expectation 2028. While Mana is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $4.90 and a yearly cost close above $5.25 in 2028. Decentraland Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Decentraland will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $5.60 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $5.95. Averaging out at $5.74. Decentraland Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy.